All right, let's talk about it real quick. Everybody is now attacking NovaTech as if it's been a scam. If it was a scam, it was been a scam last month, right? Last year. It's been 4 years now they've been in business. And because a lot of the other companies are now coming to an end and you starting to see things that are dwindling. And let's just keep it real. You got all of these multi-billionaires and millionaire young CEOs of these crypto companies that are actually dying out the blue. Makes no sense. You could think whatever you want with it. My thing is this. I'm not saying it's the best thing smoking, but I am saying it's been consistent for the past 4 years, right? Not only has it been consistent, pay attention to what the government is doing. See, the government wants everything to be labeled as scam or to collapse. So when they switch over, which they already doing, right? When they switch over, that they use it and say, hey, do it with us. It's a lot more credible. It's a lot more easier. Don't get me wrong. There are people and companies scamming, but we have yet to see any issue that was violated. What I'm hearing is people complaining because they can't see every detail, every dotted I. But you wasn't complaining last year. But nobody has ever said I didn't get my money. I never got paid. These are the rules that they broke. They didn't break any rules. They are registered. You just want to see what you want to see, some people. And I just say this. Remember to do your own due diligence and start getting yourself together for when they do switch everything over, because crypto is king. And I want to say this too, right? Just remember, a lot of things have switched over in our GOV in the last 24 months, right? Not only allowing us to use crypto on our taxes, but also understand that it's been over 100,000 plus people worldwide that have become multi-millionaires this year alone with cryptocurrency. It is not a scam. What it is it's a decentralized currency that now some people see that you can make multiple millions of dollars without being taxed. So they're trying to change that and make everything centralized. If you've noticed in the last month, you've had a crazy time with some people, depending on what state they're in, and utilizing crypto and buying crypto. If you use anything with a third party, which is MoonPay or Simplex, you now have to create an account with MoonPay in order to use it. And if you don't know that, they will shut your account down and say you violated. All I'm saying is pay attention to what's coming in 2023. Pay attention to the new pilot so-called test that they're doing on central banks, especially in NY, which they already been doing in most of the central banks already. Get prepared for the change. Our economy is jacked up. It's going to get worse before it get better. You better have something in play. And if you don't, reach out to somebody that you trust. Get in. I know a lot of people really don't understand what crypto really is and how it works. I get a lot of people asking me, so what do you do? What should I buy? Right? There's a ton of people who buy crypto, who buy fad coins or Bitcoin, Ethereum, which has been the top coins, currencies for the past few years, and they buy it at a certain price and they wait for inflation to rise on it, which means that a lot of people are purchasing the coin in order for the value to go up. That is how crypto works in general, right? Once it goes on the market, then that means people can buy it. And when people buy it or sell it, especially if you're trading, you can make money that way as well, right? Some people trade crypto. Some people just buy it because they want to earn off inflation, waiting for it to go up, like how they used to do with silver and gold. Silver and gold is still a great tangible asset to have right now in this economy as well. I would say silver right now, most people could buy silver for like $20. Gold, not so much, but you can still buy it and it still be valuable. Having those tangible assets and learning about what cryptocurrency is going to help you stay afloat in this economy. And not only that, learn how to invest in yourself. And if you don't know how, reach out to people who may have some experience. Yes, do your due diligence. Everybody's not out to help you. Most people are out to help themselves, but then you're going to find a few like myself that want to be transparent and give you information that's going to be beneficial to not only you now, but to your family, your generation in the future. All right. So stay woke. Crypto is king.